Hello students, today we will discuss the problem of the quadratic equation. First of all, we have to know what is the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. Now we have to see the condition. Condition is given in the program. This program is saying if the d is greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, so then it will print the message roots are real. And next condition, if the d is less than 0, the value of the d is less than 0, so then it will display the roots are imaginary. So these are the two conditions we have to follow inside our program. Now question is saying where to determine the nature and the roots of quadratic equation taking ABC. Means we have to input the value of the ABC. These three variables are given for the equation. We have to as input. Now if the value is the d is equal to b square minus 4ac, means the value of the d by using this equation is greater than equal to the 0, means the value of the d, if you will get greater than equal to 0, so then it display the root are real. Root are real. Otherwise, it will display the roots are imaginary. So the roots are given, the value of the R1 is given, this one, and R2 value is given, this one. Now how you will use this condition in the programming? First of all, I will explain according to the math, then you can understand well. First of all, we have to enter the value of the A and B. Value of A you will give and value of B you will give and value of C you will give. Suppose you have given the value of the A is given 5 and the value of B 6 and suppose 1. Clear? Now after that it will check by using this equation. We have to use this equation. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Suppose the value of the d is greater than equal to 0, so then it will print, then result will be roots are real, and it will print the value of the roots, and R1 value it will print and R2 value it will print. If you will get, you can use any digits here, different type of the digit you can use here. For example, suppose you will use the is less than 0. So then it will display the result root are imaginary. So like this we have to solve this problem. First of all, we will enter the value of the a. System dot out dot print, enter the value of the a. Then we have to store the value of the a. Like this, integer a is equal to int dot next integer function. Then we will enter the value of the b, then c. Then after that we have to give the condition. If d is greater than equal to 0, so then we will follow this formula by using the Java expression. D is equal to math dot sqrt b multiply b minus 4 multiply a multiply 0. Like this we have to use the formula in the form of the Java expression. Then after that we have to use this, the value of the roots r1 and r2. After the calculation they will display the value, else otherwise it will print the roots are imaginary. I think all the students are understand the logic. Okay, now we will start our program. Okay, now we will start our program. First of all, we will write the command program to determine the nature and root of quadratic equation. According to the question, you will give the comments. Okay. Now next line is import java.util.scan function. Then after that you have to use the class, public class quadratic. You can use any word according to the question. Now then public static void main string argument function, main function you will use in all the program you are using. Next, scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. Then after that you will use the output statement for entering the value of the a, b and c. System dot out dot print enter a. Then you will store the value of the a by using the integer type of the data, because we are using in this program only the integer type of the digit, means without decimal. So then integer is equal to in dot next integer function. Now again system dot out dot print enter, we will enter the value of the now b. So then the value of the b will be stored, integer b is equal to in dot next integer function. Now the same process we will use for entering the value of the c. System dot out dot print enter the c. Now the value of the c will be stored, integer c is equal to in dot next integer function. Now what we have to do? You have to enter the values. Now you have to use the quadratic equations. Double d is equal equal to math dot power b comma 2 minus 4a multiply c. In your math equation was there कि math means d is equal to b square minus 4ac. That was the equation. Now this equation we have to change into the Java expression. Okay. Now it will check the condition कि if d is greater than equal to 0 according to the question, कि if the value of the d is greater than equal to 0, so then it will print the message system.out.println roots are real, and it will print the value of the r1 and r2 which is given in your question. After the calculation of the input by the value of the a, b and c, a or b and d, then it will calculate the value of the r2, and then after that it will display the system.out.print roots of the equation are, means that is the heading. What it will print? System.out.print and r1, the value of the r1 it will print like this, the value of the r1 it will print, and the value of the r2 will print, else otherwise thus it will print the system.out.println roots are imaginary. Now after complete your program, when you will see the output of the program, so then first of all it will ask you enter the value of the a, then you will suppose you will 5, then it will ask the enter the value of the b, suppose you given the 6, and then after that it will ask the enter the value of the c, suppose you are given 1, so then it will say after the calculation roots are real and roots of the equation are r1 value and r1 value 0.2 and r2 the value minus 1.0 display. And suppose this part will come, suppose this part is not, suppose the value of the d is less than 0, so then this part will work, else part. So then it will display the message root are imaginary. So I think all the students are understand कि how will use the condition in the quadratic equation which is given in our program. Understand all of you? Okay. Thank you.